Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Corvus in Bloons TD6. Corvus is a fascinating hero who brings a unique playstyle to the game, relying heavily on his spirit companion and mana management. Understanding his core mechanics is key to unlocking his full potential. We'll cover his basic attacks, how to generate mana efficiently, and the best ways to utilize his powerful abilities to dominate the battlefield. Mana is Corvus's lifeblood, fueling all his special abilities. You generate mana by having his spirit attack Bloons. The more Bloons it hits, the faster your mana bar fills. His Spirit Link ability lets you direct the spirit to specific targets, which is vital for focused damage or mana farming. Remember, Dark Ritual can give you a quick mana boost, but it costs health, so use it wisely in critical moments. Strategic placement of Corvus is essential. Position him where his spirit can reach as many Bloons as possible, ideally covering long straightaways or choke points. As he levels up, focus on upgrades that enhance his spirit's damage and mana generation rate. Pairing Corvus with towers that slow down Bloons, like glue gunners or ice monkeys, allows his spirit to hit targets more often, increasing both damage and mana gain. For advanced play, mastering spirit warding is crucial for stunning large groups of Bloons, giving your other towers time to clear them. Soul Harvest is an incredible ability for boosting your economy, especially on longer maps, so activate it whenever you have a good cluster of Bloons. Experiment with different tower synergies to find what works best for your playstyle. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.